Sport mode switch. The sport mode switch on the automatic transmission, AT, shift lever of a Hyundai Santa Fe allows you to manually control gear shifts for a more responsive, performance-oriented driving experience. Here's how it works. Using sport mode, manual shift mode. 1. Shift lever position. Move the gear selector from D, drive, to the left into the manual M or sport mode gate. This is usually labeled with a plus and minus sign. 2. Shifting gears manually. Push the lever forward plus to upshift to A. For everyday driving, leave it in D, drive for smoother, more fuel-efficient shifting. Sport mode gate, located to the side of the main shift path. This gate allows you to enter sport mode by moving the lever into this position. Plus and minus indicators, once in sport mode. Pushing the lever towards plus will upshift to a higher gear, and pulling it towards minus will downshift to a lower gear. When you move the shift lever into the sport mode gate, it engages the manual shift function, allowing you to control gear changes manually for a more dynamic driving experience. A sport mode switch failure in a Hyundai Santa Fe AT, automatic transmission. Shift lever is typically caused by one or more of the following issues. Common causes of sport mode switch failure. 1. Worn or damaged shift lever switch. The micro switch or contact inside the shift lever that detects lateral movement into sport manual mode may wear out over time or fail due to internal damage. 2. Spilled liquids or contamination. Coffee, soda, or water spilled into the console can seep into the switch assembly and short or corrode the contacts. 3. Mechanical wear in the shifter assembly. Internal components like springs or detents may become loose or worn, preventing proper engagement with the sport mode gate. 4. Faulty or loose electrical connector. The harness or connector linking the shift lever to the transmission control module, TCM, may become disconnected, loose, or corroded. 5. Blown fuse or electrical short. A short circuit or fuse related to the gear shift control module, or TCM, can interrupt power to the sport mode switch. 6. Transmission range sensor, TRS, malfunction. The TRS might not recognize the manual mode gear positions, making the system unresponsive to the switch. 7. Software glitch in TCM or ECU. Sometimes, a transmission control software bug can prevent the system from recognizing or responding to sport mode inputs. Symptoms of failure: no response when moving shift lever into the plus// gate. No gear number displayed on the dashboard when in manual mode. Vehicle remains in drive D, even after shifting into sport mode. Error codes from the TCM or check engine light.